There's a guide on how you can see your saved Instagram passwords on Google. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is open the Google app. After that, click on your profile icon on the top right section of your screen. After that, click on Google account in the rectangle. As you can see, right below your email ID, you will see this option that says Google account. So click on that. After that, this page will open up, and then you have to click on the magnifying glass on the top, which is the search button. Click on the search button and then type in passwords. After that, click on password manager, not the password, okay, but the option which says password manager. So click on password manager, and then on this screen you will see all the passwords that are saved on a device. You have to find Instagram, which is this one. So I'm going to click on Instagram. After that, it will ask you to enter your screen lock. So enter that, and there you go. These are all the accounts that I have, and these are all the passwords of the account that I have. So you can choose one of the accounts, and you can click on the eye icon, okay, to unhide the password. I'm not going to do that for privacy reasons, but yeah, that's it. That's how you see your saved passwords on Google.